with Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about locust attacks in India. What is locust? A large, mainly tropical grasshopper with strong powers of flight. It is usually solitary, but from time to time there is a population explosion and it migrates in vast swarms which cause extensive damage to vegetation. Locust swarms headed to Delhi and up races. New Delhi, a swarm of desert locusts that infected Jaipur on Monday morning, could be headed towards the capital if wind speed is favorable. Delhi has been kept on alert as such swarms are currently active in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, which is the most affected state. Normally, desert locusts are seen in the western Rajasthan and Gujarat from June to November, but they were first reported by the Union Agriculture Ministry Locust Warning Organization in April. What's more concerning is that usually that they are either solitary or in small groups, meaning the current swarming and unusual. Locust attacks, crops damaged, farmers worried. Where this locust attack started from? The outbreak originated from two cyclones May and October 2018 that allowed three generations of breeding from June 2018 to March 2019 in the Arabian Peninsula and caused an 8,000-fold increase in locust numbers. The locust currently attacking crops in India bred and matured in Iran and Balochistan in Pakistan 2 days ago. Problems of locust. Locust swarms are infamous for voraciously feeding on agricultural crops, trees and other plants. In fact, this feeding can devastate the crops and grasses grown for people and livestock, causing famine and starvation in communities that depend on their crops for survival. Plague of locust. Can locusts attack humans? Locusts do not bite people like mosquitoes or ticks, since locusts eat plants. While it is unlikely that locusts would bite, they might nibble on someone without breaking the skin or pinch someone to help defend themselves. How long does a locust plague last? About 3 to 5 months. A desert locust live a total of about 3 to 5 months. Although this is extremely variable and depends mostly on weather and ecological conditions. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for notifications. Stay home, stay safe.